Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
age determination after 25 years. The method which helps to determine the age after 25 years is called Todd's method or Suchi-Brooks method or McKern-Stewart's method. Todd's method is also modified by Suchi-Brooks method. Suchi is modified by McKern and Stewart. This Todd's method is mainly based on the changes in the symphyseal surface of the bone. Todd's method is said to be the most accurate method to detect the age after 25 years, and thus it is more reliable. Chest
thank you and thank you for watching.